Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to remove some stationary background noise like a running AC or running fan from a video file for free very fast. Of course, there are already quite some videos about that out there, but most show it very complicated and unnecessary long, so I'm trying to be as short as possible. By the way, I guess you can hear the fan running in the background. That's the idea. So this is not background noise removed. So what you need is the Audacity. That's a free open source audio tool, one of the most famous free audio tools. So download, install and open it. And then of course we need the video files. Just drag and drop it to Audacity. When you get such an error message, then you need to install the FFmpeg plugins. So we go back to support.audacityteam.org and then we install the FFmpeg. So that's the recommended installer. Then you choose whatever you need. That's usually 64 bits Windows. And so we open that and do the setup for that. Just click next and install and it's finished. And then of course we close and reboot or restart the Audacity and now we should have everything. Let's try again. Okay, so here we are, and now the noise cancellation is in the effect. We go down to noise removal and repair and we have the noise reduction. There are a couple of different noise reductions which you can use, like noise gate right from the beginning, but what's recommended is to actually select a piece which is quiet, where we can only hear the noise in the background, and give this as a sample to figure out what noise it is. So what we have to do is to provide a silent sample to the Audacity piece which is pretty much silent and just has the noise inside. So for example, we have something here, but to mark it is a little bit difficult. So what we are using is the control and the mouse wheel in this area, and so we are with the mouse wheel rotating up, so this makes the whole thing larger. If you need to scroll left and right, you can use the shift and the mouse wheel to shift left and right till you have found something really nice area which only has a little bit of noise and nothing. So this means actually just a straight line, and then we click and hold and drag to the right side, and then we have this really nice piece as a sample. And then we go to effects and go to noise and noise reduction and click on get noise profile, and then it has learned what we want to remove. And then we click here again, click on Control and A to mark everything, so everything is highlighted. So we go again to effect, noise removal and noise reduction, and now we can use the real noise reduction. We can use usually the preset. If you need a little bit more, you can increase that, but I would start maybe with the default here in this area and try it, reduce, okay, and let it run. Takes just a couple of seconds and then it's removed, but of course we don't have the file. Now we need to click on file, export, and of course we cannot export the whole MP4. It's not the audio, it's the video. The only thing which it does is to export the audio track, so you can choose whatever you want. For example, here we are choosing MP3, then it asks us where we want to store that, and we click on save and it will overwrite this, and we click on OK and then it will do that. I'm not doing that here at the moment, but this is exactly what you have to do. Just click here and then it will be done. And then you have your MP3 file, and then you can combine it with the video file again in a video editor. Of course, it's highly recommended to do this only at the end of the video editing. My suggestion is to do the video editing with the noise, and when you're ready, export the MP4 or just export the MP3 from the video editor and then clean the audio here, export the cleaned audio, import it again to the video editor, disable the original audio and just use the cleaned audio, and then finish the video rendering. That's it. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.